What's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna put you guys onto something, alright? First off, you get your sweet Hawaiian bread, preferably the bun size, some plain cornflakes, coconut sports string and syrup, Macapuno strings, and some ube ice cream. Alright, so you're going to want to start off with your buns. I'm going to put mine in the toaster oven because I don't have a panini press. I have a waffle maker, but I feel like that's going to break it down too much. You take your buns. I'm going to leave them closed like this so the inside doesn't get toasted, just to warm up the outside. If not, if you have a panini press, skip this out. When we're done, we'll just put it in the panini press real quick and toast up the outside like that. While our buns are toasting, I'm going to explain what this is. Literally, it's just coconut strings and cane sugar and water. Let me see if I could actually get some out for you guys. This is all it really is. Just strings of coconut and like a syrup. Ooh, that's really sweet. But luckily when I got to eat it straight like that. Alright, now that our bread is warm, I'm like, we're not trying to toast it to make it hard. We're just trying to soften it up a little bit. I'm going to take this, I'm going to add some toppings. So take the bun off. On our bottom, we are going to put some cornflakes. Just a nice little handful of cornflakes. Boom. We're going to get our coconut strings. Just enough. Again, it's really sweet, so you don't want too much. Let some of that excess syrup fall off or drain down back into the bottle. Again, not too much because it is really sweet, but you do want that coconut in there. Just put a little bit more. So I want everybody to have some coconut in it. It's gonna taste good. This coconut, I could eat that coconut by itself. It's just way too sweet. Now we're gonna put a nice scoop of ube ice cream on it. I scoop my ice cream kind of hollow, so I'm gonna go one big one. And we'll put the top one on, press it down, and we got ourselves our ice cream right there. Maybe 2 smaller scoops or 3 smaller scoops would work better than one big one in the middle, but that's it right there, you guys. So I'm gonna make a second one. Again, cornflakes on it. Boom, some falls out, whatever. Make sure the base is covered. We're gonna do the coconut again. There's a big old piece of coconut in this one. Now we're going to try to do 3 smaller scoops of ice cream instead, see if we get a little bit better coverage that way. Actually, I could do 4. Just that one's, again, my scoops are kind of hollow, so it looks like a lot, but inside there's actually nothing in there, just air. Boom, top bun back on. Look at that, you guys. So I messed up, you guys. I started eating it for show you guys the finished product completely, or show my reaction to first bite. But it's fire. The coconut is a little sweet, but I put like extra coconut on this one, so probably the other one's not as sweet, but this is good. Look at that. If you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Hit that like button. See you guys next time.